I had so much fun using string on my jelly plate and making some really interesting marks. And if you'd like to know what happened, then carry on watching and all will be revealed. Hi, I'm JoanieB and welcome to Butterfly's Mind. Okay, so as you can see, I've made some backgrounds just with this pastel blue paint, and this is going to enable me to produce different kinds of textured prints using the string and acrylic paint. Now that's the string that I'm going to use today. Let me know in the comments whether you actually call it string or twine. Here in the UK we call it string. Using Golden's open acrylics, which means it's got a longer drying time, so I should be able to get more pulls. Okay, so I'm going to put the string down now. I'm trying to not overthink it, just get a nice, plain, simple line pattern. I don't want anything that's too complicated at this point, and I'm really pleased with how that looks. Now, because I've used the open acrylics, I'm also being able to pull another print, but it's a little bit more subtle, but nonetheless, I'm really very happy with it. So now on to the ghost print. It looks very faint. I'm using the same plain backgrounds again, and hopefully I'm just going to get another really subtle print to work on. And yeah, I'm really happy with that, really happy. So those are the three simple string pulls, and that's the beginnings of what I'm going to do next. Well, I finished with that type of string and I'm going to move on to some jute. Now this is thicker and flatter than what I've been using just, and what I want to do is to lay it down in vertical stripes using the same acrylic paint that I used last time. What I've done is I've taped down the jute so it doesn't wiggle around while I'm trying to pull the print, which it has a tendency to do. And there you can see some really nice, bold, stripy lines, which is exactly what I wanted. Because I've used the golden open acrylics, I'm able to pull another print. It's going to be more subtle, as usual, but nonetheless, it's just what I want. And finally, I'm going to take the sellotape from off of the jute, and I'm going to pull a ghost print. The ghost print is the most subtle of all, and it really is my favourite type of textured paper. And now I have three quite different textured papers than the first one that I did with the string, and it's going to be helpful for what I'm going to do next. So off I go again, the same thing, rolling out the acrylic paint, but this time I'm going to use the first type of string on a piece of, well, as you can see, it's a toilet roll tube. Now, what a good thing to do with a piece of toilet roll tube that you would normally just throw in the bin. So sometimes you can use string and sometimes you could use elastic bands to wrap round. But in this case it's string around the toilet roll tube, and what it does, it produces these lovely lines, kind of tracks in the acrylic paint. And I was able to make another pull using well, the same background papers. I'm keeping to this pastel blue because that's what I've got in mind for the next stage that I'm going to do and show you next week. And the bonus is that I'm also able to get a very subtle ghost print as well. So yeah, happy with that. 3 lots of different papers. So let's have a review of these simple backgrounds that I've produced. Well, the first 3 are using the just plain string or twine. And as I've said before, I'm just using the same background colour on each one. So here's the jute, and it's deciding it's going to ping around quite a bit. And I've produced some nice bold lines, and when you see what happens with these next week, when I add more layers, I think you'll be really surprised. And yes, I'm rolling a toilet roll tube, and surprising results from the string being wrapped around that tube. So yeah, those are what I've used. You've seen the results, and hopefully you'll come back next week and find out what happens next. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Leave a comment. Tell me which you like best. Is it the string, the jute, or the rolly toilet roll tube? And thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. So bye for now. Bye bye.